Assalamu alaikum, dear students. In my previous lecture, I have shown how to calculate future value of yearly compounding. Today, I will show how to calculate future value of more than one time compounding in a year. Actually, compounding means the interest will be charged both for the principal amount and the interest as well. But in case of simple interest, only the interest is charged for the principal amount, but it is different in case of compounding. If it is compounding interest, then the interest will be charged both for the principal amount and the interest as well. Today I will show in my copy how to calculate present how to calculate future value of more than one time compounding in a year. So uh, before doing our maths, I am writing the formula at first. Now, although I have written this formula in my previous lecture, I am writing it again. So FV equals to PV into 1 plus I by M to the power M multiply N. Here FB means future value. Here FB means future value and PV means present value, and M represent for number of compounding. So there are some terms which you have to learn, actually in which case how many times it will compounds. I am writing the terms at first. Actually, if it is yearly compounding, if it is yearly compounding, the number of compounding or the value of M will be 1. And if it is semi-annually compounding, if it is semi-annually compounding, the value of M or the number of compounding will be 2. And if it is quarterly compounding, if it is quarterly compounding, then the value of M will be 4. That means in a year it will be it will compound 4 times in a year. Now if it compounds by monthly, then the value of M will be 6. It means every 2 months or after 2 months it will compound, and there are 12 months in a year, and if every 2 months it will compound, the number of compounding will be 6. Then if it is monthly compounding, then the value of M will be 12, because there are 12 months in a year, and it will compound 12 times in a year. Now if it is weekly compounding, or if it compounds weekly in a year, then the value of M will be 52. Now we will do a maths, and then it will be clear for you. So I am writing the question at first. Mr. Imran will deposit টাকা 10,000 in Sonali Bank. In Sonali Bank for 5 years. The bank will the bank will the bank will give him 10% interest which will be compounded quarterly. Now the question is, how much money Mr. Imran will get from Sonali Bank after 5 years. Okay, we'll just place this value in our formula, then easily we'll uh, get the answer, and you can use a scientific calculator, which will be easier for you to get the answer. Actually, I'm writing the formula again. FV equals to PV into 1 plus I by M to the power M multiply N. Here PV or present value equals to taka 10,000, because Mr. Imran will deposit taka 10,000 in Sonali Bank, and I or interest rate equals to 10%, and if we write this 10% in decimal, then it will be 0.1. M equals to, if it is quarterly compound, in my question I have written here it will be compounded quarterly, so the value of M or the number of compounding will be 4. N or time or the number of years equals to 5 years, because Mr. Imran will deposit his money for 5 years in Sonali Bank. Now FV or future value equals to what? Okay, just according to this formula we will place this value. Present value equals to 10,000, multiply 1 plus I equals to 0.1, M equals to 4, and as M equals to 4, then 4 multiply N equals to 5 equals to 10,000 into 1 plus, if we divide 0.1 by 4, then it will be 0.025, then 4 multiply 5 equals to 20, then 10,000 multiplied by 1.0.25 power 20, again 10,000 multiplied by, if we power this number, that is power this number by 20, then it will be 1.6386. so if you use calculator, then easily you will get this answer. So 10,000 multiplied by 1.6386 equals to 16,386 taka. So after this maturity, Mr. Imran will get 16,386 taka from Sonali Bank. So dear students, I have tried my level best to show how to calculate future value if it compounds more than one time in a year. So inshallah, uh, uh, in my another lecture I will try to calculate the future value and present value as well. So this is all for today. Assalamu alaikum.